Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to another Currency Direct Sterling Euro podcast with me, Keith Spittlenik. It's Monday the 16th of May. Well, today Sterling Euro trading at 114.56 at the time of recording this video, so we're a little bit higher than we were this time last week. Before we go any further, I have to say commiserations to West Ham fans, but congratulations to Manchester football fans. Both teams obviously have something to celebrate this week. I wish I could say the same for the head of the IMF though, Dominic Strauss-Kahn. He was arrested over the weekend and it really couldn't have come at a more sensitive time for the euro. We've got finance ministers from across the eurozone. They're all meeting today to discuss the Greek debt crisis, which has obviously been gripping the euro in a state of increasing panic for quite some time now. The IMF are due to make a fifth bailout payment in June, but there are now concerns being raised about how this money is going to be spent as Greece, well, it falls further and further into debt and further into recession. If, as we suspect, Greece is led towards defaulting, then the Eurozone could take a big hit really, because you're going to have investors start to pull out of the Eurozone at quite a frantic pace. This week though, well, quite a busy week figures wise this week. This morning we've had the Eurozone CPI data, also known as inflation data, coming a little bit higher last month in April than the preceding month. Still well above the Eurozone, the ECB's target of 2%, and although it's probably not as worrying as it may seem, it's certainly going to do nothing to ease the ECB's inflation concerns, and it could even result in further interest rate rises in July. Tomorrow we've got sterling CPI, we've got sterling inflation data and retail sales data as well. Wednesday we've got the Bank of England minutes and the jobless claims, and Thursday key data out on Thursday with retail sales and also Trichet talking. Now generally when Trichet opens his mouth we see a bit of movement euro wise. So all about Europe really this week, all about Greece, all about Portugal as well, and all about the head of the IMF's arrest. Sterling should end up higher by the end of the week. If we get some good data on Thursday, could even get as high as 116. That's all for me this week. Please have yourselves a fantastic week and we'll see you next week.